Assalamualaikum students, how are you? It's math lecture for grade 5 and today our topic is factors. Now what is factor? Factor is a divisor which divides a given number exactly with a remainder 0. Now method how to find out the factors. There are two ways to find out the factors of a given number. Number one is by division method and the second one is tables. Now look at example over here. Number one is factors of 12, means we have to find out the factors of 12 over here. So let's begin with the division method first. One thing please keep in your mind, whenever you are finding the factors of the given number, always take start from 1, and 1 is the factor of every number, 1 and the number itself. So first we will write 1 over here as a factor, then we will divide the given number by the different numbers one by one. So in this way we will get all the factors of the given number. Now you can see over here in this rough work, I divided this 12 by the different numbers. First I divided this 12 by 2 and the remainder is over 0. So it means 2 and the 6, the divisor and the quotient, these both numbers are the factors of 12. So we will take these both numbers over here as a factor of 12. Then I divided this 12 by 3, I get 4. So 3 and 4, it means these both are the factors of 12 because the remainder is 0 over here. Then 5, but over here when I divided 12 by 5, I get 2 as a remainder over here. So it means 5 is not a factor of 12 because the remainder is 2, it's not 0. If the remainder is any number other than 0, it means the divisor is not a factor. So by dividing this number one by one by different numbers, we will get all the factors of the given number. So the factors of 12 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6 and 12. Now the other method is tables method. Simply just read out the tables in your mind in which tables 12 is coming. Again take start from 1. So yes, 1 is the factor of every number. So we will write 1 first over here because in 1's table every number is coming. So we will write 1 first here. Then 2 table isn't 12 is coming in 2's table. Yes, 2, 6 are 12. So then write both numbers over here. Then 3 table, read out the 3 table. Then 4 tables. So one by one read tables in your mind from 1 to 10 tables. So you will get all the factors. If the number is coming in the table, so it means that number is the factor of the given number. Now for example over here, see in 2 table, yes, 12 is coming in 2's table, so yes, 2 is the factor, so we will write 2. Then 3, then 4. Again in 5's table, 12 is not coming, so we will leave 12. So in this way, by division method and by tables, you will get all these factors over here. Now the second example is factors of 48. Again just read out the tables in your mind, so you will get all the factors. Let's start from 1. So 1 48 are 48. Then in 2 table. Now if you don't know where 48 is coming in 2 tables, so simply just do division. Now see over here, I divided this 48 by 2, I get 24 and the remainder is 0. So it means yes, 24 and 2, they both are the factors of 48. So we will write these numbers over here. Then I divided by 3, I get 16. Then I divided this 48 by 4, I get 12 and 6, it's easy, 6 8s are 48. So these all are the factors of 48. And then it's your choice if you write these factors either in this way in multiplication form or either in this arrange form. Even you can take help from these multiplication form and then arrange these numbers in the ascending order. So the both ways are correct. So by division, see over here in this rough column, I get all the factors of 48. And the factors of 48 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. Common factors. Now what are common factors? For the common factors, first we will find out the factors of the given number. Now look at example over here. Factors of 24 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12 and 24. 24 is a smaller number, so we can easily find out the factors of 24 by tables. Just read out a table in your minds and just find out in which tables 24 is coming. So these are the tables in which 24 is coming. Now the 40, again 40 is easy. We can easily find out the factors of 40 by tables. So just read out tables from 1 to 10 in your minds. You will get all the factors of 40. See, for example, 1 40s are 40, then 2 20s are 40, then 3 tables, so in 3 tables 40 is not coming, so leave it. Then 4, where 4 tens are 40, so in this way you will get all the factors of 40 and 24. Now common factors. Common factors means a number or a table in which 24 and 40 they both are coming. Now look at over here, one table. In one table 24 and 40 they both are coming, so we will take 1 as a common factor. Then 2's table, yes, in 2 table 24 and 40 they both are coming, and see 2 is repeated over here 2 times and 2 is 2 times over here, so yes, we will take 2 as a common factor. Then 3, so 3 is over here, in 3's table 24 is coming but 40 is not coming, so we will leave it. Then 4, yes, 4 is repeated over here, it means 4 is as a factor of 24 and 4 is also a factor of 40, so we will write this 4 as a common factor. So who is another common factor in which the both numbers are coming? That is 8. So we will take 8 as well. So 1, 2, 4 and 8. These are the common factors in which 24 and 40 they both are coming, or simply you have to find out the numbers who are 2 times over here, who is also a factor of 24 and as well as the factor of 40. Home task. Question number 1 is list all the factors of each number. Now it's your choice, either you are using division method or tables method for the factors. Part A is 36. 36 is a smaller number, so you can easily find out the factors of 36 by the tables method. Just read out the tables in your mind one by one from 1 till 10, so you will get the factors of 36 by tables easily. Now part B, that is 100. Now if you don't know in which tables 100 is coming, so simply do division. Divide this 100 one by one by different numbers from 1 till 10. So in this way you will get all the factors of 100. Now part C, part A, B, C, D is your home task. Kindly try to attempt these questions by yourself. Now question number 2. What are the common factors of each pair of numbers? Part A is 8 and 12. Means you have to find out the tables in which 8 and 12 the both numbers are coming. You have to find out the common factors of 8 and 12. Part A and part B is your home task. Now kindly try to attempt these questions on a piece of paper, and then you have to submit it in the school for the assessment marks. And please do a lot of practice of these questions because it's a new topic for you guys and you need a lot of practice in it. So thank you. Wish you best of luck.